cute and full of charm. They are adoring, they are exciting. If you're a feather in my heart. Gee, you're so good to me. H, you're so heavenly. They're the one I like. J, we're like Jack and Jill. K, you're so kissable. L, you're the love of my life. Pasip na! Wala na yun. Ano yun? L, M, N, O, P. Alphabetically speaking, you're okay.